Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how Spotify actually works. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you do is download the application and open the application after that. Now when you will be on the interface, you will have a lot of options as you can see right over here. Now firstly what you will see is the home screen where you will find all the popular artists that you have selected in the genre section while creating your account. So over here you will find all of that section. Now after that at the top, if you will notice, you will find two more options called music, then podcast and shows. So if you click on music, it will show all the type of music that are related to your account, like the music that you have listened before or the genre that you have selected while creating the account. So over here you find all of that music. Now if you click on the X icon and then click on podcast and shows, most of the podcast and shows will be available right over. So if you want to directly listen to any podcast, you can directly do over here if you're subscribed to them. Now there are a few more features that you can see. Like the first one, the search option at the center, click on that. Now, when you will choose that, you will find every single genre over here, as you can see. So you can find any music that you want. You can find from the categories like trending, love, mood, drama, musical, instrumental, or any beat, any genre that you can get over here. As you can see, there are a ton of them. Now, if you want to find any specific music, you can also find that right over here. All you have to do is just simply search for it. So just like that, if you will search for the music, you'll find everything related to that music. Now, for example, I searched for Shape of You, and here is Shape of You right in front of you. So if you click on the blue icon over here, you will find the music. Now in the music player, you will have the basic options of pause, fast forward, remix, and all of that. Now, the last option is the library option at the very bottom left corner. So over here, you can create your own library, or you can just simply follow someone's library. As you can see, these are some popular artists' library that have been already created for you. Now, if you want to create your own library, just simply click on the plus icon at the top right. Then just simply click on playlist. Now just simply name your playlist. Let's call it test. Now just simply choose create. Now your playlist is created. Now all you have to do is just simply go to any music. For example, Shape of You. Then all you have to do is click on the three dots at the top right and choose add to playlist. Then over here you will find your playlist. Click on that, and just like that, your music have been added to your playlist. And using this process, you can create multiple playlists for multiple different type of songs that you may like. So there are many more features in Spotify that you can play around with. But for this video, that's it. And thank you for watching. And do not subscribe to our channel and take care.